poppin' rebels, or back at it with another video. So today we're going to, what we're doing? Oh, we're doing a catamaran, parasailing, and snorkeling. Yeah,
same thing.
no, it's not the same thing at all. Scuba diving is with the big tank on your back.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere. We about to fly.
Bro, you about to kill us, man.
This the fun y'all wanted today?
And my ass is still sore. Shit,
Bro, about to kill us.
This the fun you wanted today?
Man, bro, about to kill us, bro.
My stomach is he's so mad. Wait, are we parasailing first?
Man, bro,
Oh, I think we're parasailing first.
hold your phone, look.
I'm holding that tight, baby.
What the fuck?
You think we're having fun?
Hey, hold on.
You think we having fun, bro? No, Diva, no.
That shit rhyme. Like, this shit ain't me.
Oh, shit. That's why he told us to put on the life jackets, because we're going to fly out this bitch.
That shit crazy.
Hey, it's fine though, because we got all the action of us going up and
Right.
down.
Oh my God, Lord have mercy.
Say what's up, Derricka.
He over here finna kill us.
Say what's up,
Man, finna kill us.
Oh yeah, we're doing parasailing first. Holy crap, wait, we're doing parasailing on that little ass mini ass boat? Oh no. See this right? Hell no. Hell to the no. We're doing, look at this. Oh, look at that. We're doing parasailing.
I don't think that's it. Yeah.
No, that might not be it. Yes it is, yes it is. Oh. Huh? Watch your hand. That's it. Oh. Is it recording? I hope it's recording.
It's recording.
It is?
Yeah.
You see the red light?
Yeah.
Hey
I
yo!
see the time counting.
Okay, bet. Hey.
Yeah, but she just said, yeah, that's my boyfriend.
That's what I said to him.
So, for both of us.
He said, that's your novia? I said, see. He said, oh. So he probably thinks, because he shut up after that. We should have both just said that's our boyfriend. I should take these shits off, it's Sandy. You like it, right?
Yeah.
I'm getting you to, hold on, let me get, can you see yourself?
Wait, it's up. Oh, now I can.
Okay, I just want to make sure I got the whole thing.
Yeah. They said this is scary, but
It's not scary. I love it, it's so peaceful.
just don't.
It's your first time.
Yeah.
Are you excited? I'm glad you are.
My first time out the fucking country.
That's why I told you, we gotta just do shit.
Yeah.
Like this is,
We should just plan something, just go.
yeah, cause this is fun. Like this is exploring the world.
Like something like this, I could do.
Yeah.
Just plan it and then just go.
Yep.
I could do it.
Yeah. Last time it was a little bit longer that we did it for. They doing it quick. They rushing us. They robbing us. Oh sh.
Leave us out there a little longer.
Yeah. Oh yeah. But they probably are because they're girlfriends. I hope the camera quality looks good. We're with the geese. Whew. I know God is on our side. That's why I ain't even nervous. We good. Look at them toes, bro. We're parasailing. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're parasailing. Hey, yo. We're outside. Hey, they said they were our novios. Pero, hell no.
She my girlfriend. No, I'm not.
No. Mi novio es en somewhere else.
I asked him, I said, I have a boyfriend somewhere else. No, you need a boyfriend here. No. I'm fine.
No bueno.
I'm loyal.
Yeah. So we said that Mosi and James was our novios. At first we said they was family, so now it looks like we're incest.
Exactly.
Perfect. Jokes on us. Hey, yo, look at them on the boat. You can't see them, they are so small. Literally, I'm holding on to this by like my hand. This is so much fun.
I like this.
It's peaceful. See, you glad we did it, right?
Yeah. I wish that we had, like, it wasn't booked up for, like, the horseback riding. Yeah. And zip lining.
I know.
But, wait a minute.
Maybe.
Oh, okay.
Maybe he can give us try to squeeze us in tomorrow.
Yeah. He's talking about, so come back tomorrow, it's free. Fuck you.
Yeah.
I'm not coming back.
I'm not coming back tomorrow, and you're not getting my number.
Exactly.
Fuck, you're not my novio.
I didn't understand what the fuck they were saying. I looked at you like, bitch, please tell me what the fuck they
Yeah, I got you. He was asking you how old you were. I'm surprised. First of all, how you gonna tell us that we're your girlfriend but don't know our name?
Exactly.
That's like the first turn
Then he was like, how old are you? I said, oh, 23. He said, oh, baby. I said, baby.
Baby.
Get the
Because
fuck.
he said he's 26, I think.
Oh, 3 years. The fuck?
Wow. Age ain't nothing but a number, but since you driving the boat, let me drive the boat.
Well, in this case, age you be the number because I don't want your
Exactly. Conduce. Hey, we could have extra long time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Two novios.
Longer.
No, we done now.
Yeah.
We're really. They better catch us. Look at him. Maybe. Anything else? Where's the phones? Okay, good. One. Trying to kill me. And y'all egging him on. Talking about. Okay. I can't stand it. Definitely did. Yeah. Gracias. Ciao.
Bye-bye.
no. Hell no. He said call me. I'ma call him with no number. Goofy. Hey yo, his little corn chips on his feet almost touched me, bro. I was about to die. Hell nah. I wouldn't even be able to look at them shit. If they touched me in the bed, I would be fucking crying. Hell no. Hey yo, I was like, please get them down so we can switch spots, because this shit ain't it. He was like, oh, you guys are our girlfriends, Sunovia, and then we had, our dumbass said no at first, because they asked who y'all were to us, and we said family, and then by that time we already knew we fucked up, because then they started hitting on us, and it was like, they said her boyfriend was Junior, and mine was Pachi, and I couldn't even see his fucking face, don't know what he looked like, and then they was like, if you come tomorrow, call me, you come tomorrow, everything's free for me and her. I was like, it should have been free right now, how about that? You thought we was gonna come out ourselves? Are you slow? What the hell's wrong with you? Exactly. Then we'd be lost in the ocean. And then they throw us to the sharks after. Alright, so you don't think they're gonna dump our bodies in the fucking ocean with the sharks? That was fun though. It was a little shit.
I said, oh my god! I said, oh my god, we're gonna go to water! They wasn't paying attention when them was crossing. Yes, we were. Oh, yeah.
We were trying, but they was too up in our damn face. That's when I told her, I said record with his phone. Yeah, you don't want us to. Huh?
Extra hard,
Trying to set her ass up. See. Oh, he has an attitude. It's all.
What he said? He said something.
I don't listen to his ass right now. He's talking to her. He's telling her, we work here, the people on that other boat. Vamos.
Me tiene loco en la cabeza cuando me tocas. Siento que todo está bien.